Have you ever thought that it's possible to go from minimum wage to building a $1 million fortune? Sounds impossible, right? But the truth is, it doesn't matter how much you earn. Today what really matters is how you use the money you have. There are strategies that anyone can follow to turn a small income into wealth. And in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step plan to break free from financial stagnation and move towards financial independence. So, if you want to learn how to multiply your money, save the right way, and invest like the wealthy do, stay with me until the end, because I guarantee this content can change your life. Most people believe that earning little means being stuck in poverty forever. This mindset is one of the biggest enemies of financial freedom. If you think that only those who make a lot of money can get rich, you're already starting off on the wrong foot. The truth is, most millionaires weren't born rich, they built their wealth using smart financial habits and strategies that anyone can apply. The first step to changing your financial reality is changing the way you see money. You need to understand that every cent has a purpose, and that your daily decisions can bring you closer to or further from wealth. Now, let's get into the step-by-step process that can transform your financial life. The first step is to have absolute control over your money. If you don't know exactly where your money is going, you will never be able to accumulate wealth. This is where the 50-30-20 rule comes in. It divides your income into 3 parts. 50% for essential needs like housing and food, 30% for personal expenses and leisure, and 20% for investments and savings. If your budget is tight, start by reducing the 30% as much as possible, and focus on increasing the percentage allocated to investments. Small changes, like cutting unnecessary expenses, can help you save hundreds of dollars every month. But there's a big problem that stops many people from accumulating money: debt. Debt works like an anchor that keeps you stuck in the same place. What you need to do now is get rid of it strategically. One of the best ways to eliminate debt is the snowball method. You list all your debts from the smallest to the largest, and start paying off the smallest first, while making minimum payments on the others. This creates a powerful psychological effect, because as you eliminate small debts, you gain motivation to tackle the bigger ones. With discipline, you can get rid of debt and redirect that money toward building your wealth. After clearing your debts, the next step is to build an emergency fund. This money serves as a safety cushion for unexpected situations, preventing you from needing loans if something unexpected happens. Ideally, you should save 3 to 6 months worth of expenses in a safe investment, like a high-yield savings account or government bonds. That way, you have financial security to keep growing without interruptions. Now that you've organized your finances and built security, it's time to make your money work for you. And that means investing. Wealthy people don't leave their money sitting idle, they make it multiply. You can start investing small amounts in options like real estate funds, stocks from solid companies, and ETFs, which are diversified baskets of investments. The key is to think long-term and reinvest your earnings. This is how compound interest works in your favor, turning small investments into great fortunes over the years. But to speed up your financial growth, you need to increase your income. And for that, there are several strategies. You can look for a side hustle, such as selling products, offering online services, or even investing in a small business. Additionally, investing in knowledge is one of the best ways to increase your salary. Learning new skills can open doors to better and more lucrative opportunities. So, if you want to earn more, start today by looking for ways to become more valuable in the job market. Another powerful strategy for building wealth is learning to spend money wisely. Many people make the mistake of increasing their expenses every time they earn more money. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it keeps you from accumulating wealth. The key to financial success is living below your means, even when you start making more money. If you earn $3,000 per month and spend it all, when you start earning $6.00, you'll also spend it all, and that way, you'll never build wealth. The secret is to always allocate part of your earnings to investments, before spending on non-essential things. Additionally, it's crucial to understand that having multiple sources of income is one of the biggest differences between millionaires and the average person. They never rely on just one source of money. If you only have a salary as your income, you are vulnerable. But if you have investment income, a small business, or even a side project that generates money, you start building financial security. Think about ways to create passive income, such as renting out a property, investing in dividends, or selling digital products that continue to generate money in the long run. Another common mistake that keeps people from getting rich is not planning for the long term. Wealth isn't built overnight, it's built over years of consistency and smart decisions. If you want to become a millionaire, you need to set clear financial goals and follow a plan. Establish how much you want to accumulate in 5, 10, and 20 years, and follow strategies to reach those goals. The earlier you start, the easier it will be to get there, because time is your greatest ally in building wealth. Finally, let's talk about the mindset you need to get rich. Many people give up halfway because they expect quick results. But the secret of the wealthy is to think long-term and act with consistency. If you follow the steps I taught you and have patience, you will see results in the future. The difference between those who get rich and those who stay stuck in poverty lies in small daily decisions. Every dollar you save and invest today can be worth thousands in the future. So now, I want to know, which of these steps have you already applied in your life? And what is your biggest challenge when it comes to money? Leave your thoughts in the comments, because I'll read and respond to the best ones. And if you want to keep learning how to build wealth, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next videos. Remember, the journey to $1 million starts with small daily actions. So, start now.